meditation means for me, it is a dream coming true because
Were you a vegetarian earlier?
no, I was not a vegetarian. I need meditation only. Then I stopped non-veg immediately. If we stop thinking, everything works. That is the specialty of meditation. So that is the life.
What did you manifest in your life?
My second child. 42 weeks itself, the delivery has to happen. The doctors will say for a cesarean only. Your voice is like this, how you will do a normal delivery? It is not possible. After going home, did meditation whole night. Suddenly a lot of energies I felt. Something got open on my top and someone is pouring all the energy. 3 days I got perfectly alright. Mahotar Babaji was there, Patriji was there. She should come from a divine hands, very pure hands.
A warm welcome to one and all. Welcome to Be a Master Show. To study astronomy, we need a telescope. To study ecology, we need a microscope. To study one's own self, we need meditation, as said by Patriji. Every week we are with very unique masters, and this week we are with one more special master with us. She is Savita. She is not just a meditator, she is an IT professional, award winner, and the list goes on. And let us welcome Savita ma'am onto the show. Hi ma'am, welcome to the Be a Master.
Hi ma'am.
So ma'am, tell us about yourself, when you started your journey.
I am born and brought up in Chennai. So in 2009 I started meditation. But from my childhood onwards I had a very much interest in meditation. So meditation means for me it is a dream coming true because I was searching for meditation from almost my second standard. So from then onwards, I do meditation. If you see in any Hindu temples, if you go to the temple, you can see sit in meditation. In Chennai, in all the temples, there will be one saying Dhyanatil Ukkaranga, means sit in meditation. So I used to go to temple, sit in meditation. So that is where my journey in meditation started, but proper a guided meditation started in 2009. So which is Pyramid Spiritual Society in Chennai. We have a center in Paris area. So there only I started my meditation. So after that I met Patriji for the first time. So I really felt very happy because he is not a guru, because previously also I met few gurus. So they will not be touching you and they will not be meeting you also. I was really shocked because everyone was telling Patriji, but I was thinking, I had a lot of fear inside me to meet a guru actually. But after seeing him, everything went away. It was like my best friend is sitting beside me, like that I had a feeling. So that is where a strong okay, this is where I wanted to be. So that feeling came in me. So yeah, I am doing meditation continuously.
Okay, so what's your mother tongue ma'am? Tamil?
No, we are Telugu people only living in Chennai.
Okay, so Telugu people settled in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so right from your childhood you had an urge of doing meditation, and whenever you go to temples you just sit in meditation. Yes. Okay, how about your family ma'am?
My father was so we used to go to Raghavendra Swami temple. So there everyone will sit in meditation only. So we were doing some yoga practices, pranayama, all those things. Actually my father only took me to meditation center. So first day he went to meditation center, then he told I did meditation. I was really very happy. So then only he took me the next day. And we both were going actually. So my father and me initially started meditation, but later on my mother also started doing meditation. Now also she is doing meditation. So she also has great experiences.
So do you have any siblings?
Yeah, my siblings are there.
Who are they ma'am?
I have an elder sister and younger brother. So they are not meditators. I am only the meditator.
Were you a vegetarian earlier?
No, I was not a vegetarian. So first day I did meditation. Next day we have a madam, Swarnashri madam. She came and told oh, are you a non-vegetarian? I told yes. Then she told, for doing meditation you have to become vegetarian, man. Then I thought, okay, oh, if I eat non-veg, then they will not teach me meditation. Then okay madam, I will not eat non-veg. I need meditation only. Then I stopped non-veg immediately. So before also many times actually from my childhood onwards, I never liked killing animals. Whenever my father took me to any buying non-veg, one time I heard the voice of that hens and all crying actually. I was literally crying like I was telling, oh my god, I will not come. Then onwards my father will not take me to the shop. He will take me, but he will keep me in like very far distance like that, because I will start crying on seeing all those things. But I tried many times concept of killing animals from my childhood onwards. I was thinking, okay, in this family I was unable to stop non-veg. At least after marriage I should not eat non-veg. Then only I used to say to my husband I will not cook any non-veg after marriage like that. But he was telling, I am a very very fond eater of non-veg. You cannot do all those things. But luckily,
So in the year 2009, you came to know about this meditation through which center in Chennai?
in Paris, in Goindapanayakan Street, we had a Sai Vishal nursery school.
Okay.
So it was by Sunita madam and Jagadish sir. It was run by. So they were the founders of Chennai Pyramid Spiritual Society. There, Sunita madam's mother, Jyoti madam, was the founder of Chennai. So we used to work as a team.
So what were you doing at the time of when you were introduced to meditation?
So I used to send SMS for everyone.
No, are you studying or doing any job?
I just completed my engineering.
Okay.
So 2 years I just completed my engineering. I completed my some software courses in Hyderabad. But I was in job searching. I was working as a trainer also. There only I got introduced one of my student. His name is Manikanta. So he only gave me a book called Mind Control by Joe Silva. So I was really worried at that time. So he gave me that book. Madam, you just read this book. It will change your life. He told that one only. So I read that book. So that was like literally a mind control book only. But when at the end of every chapter, I was seeing whoever the head of that team, so they were going to spiritual side, spiritual path. Instead of continuing in this is a money making path. Whatever he is giving is just like a training program. But they were stopping there and then they were converting to spiritual path. I didn't understand why they are going for this spiritual path. So I was thinking, okay, what is this spiritual path then? It had lot of info, everything. That book had everything actually, like from third eye visions, aura reading, and then like how you can change your life, everything. And it had a few techniques of meditation also. And actually he took meditation guidance from our Indian yogis. Mm-hmm. So Mahavatar Babaji, Kriya Yoga only, he is
the author of the
everyone.
book. He took
Yes.
Guidance.
Yes.
Okay.
So he is teaching that particular meditation program only.
What is that book name? Can you mention again?
Mind Control by Joe Silva.
Okay.
He conducts 5 days classes like that. He also talks about telepathy, all those things. They are a very huge network. They teach in schools and hospitals, everything. But I was thinking, okay, this is only possible in US. In India and all, no one will believe in meditation. Really, I was in ignorance like that. But at the end, they were telling all these practices, if we are doing in a group, so we can achieve much better results, he was telling. Oh, I don't know anything about group energy at that point of time. So just I closed that book. Next day, my father went to that meditation center and then found that meditation center and came to me. Okay, this is a this is not a yoga center, but it is, they are teaching meditation. They put some light and showed me one box. Below that we need to sit and meditation. So that is
Okay.
nothing but a pyramid actually.
Okay.
Yeah, and pyramids, yeah, I had knowledge of pyramids because we watch many scientific programs in Doordarshan. So we are a Doordarshan family because we didn't had any cable network.
So what
No.
idea you had about pyramids?
Pyramids,
Before.
like if we are keeping any fruits in pyramids, they will not spoil. They have positive energy. If we are keeping razors in pyramid, they will long last.
So all this idea you have before knowing about this pyramid meditation.
Yes, sir.
You have the basic knowledge about
Basic
pyramids.
knowledge of pyramid. I had basic knowledge of
So you
ocean.
have the basic knowledge of pyramid. You have the basic knowledge of meditation.
Yes.
You have a feeling of not killing animals.
Yes.
So all the feelings you have
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah, that's what I am telling.
So it's
I
just-
was chasing this thing. Even like when I was in my engineering entrance counseling, what we call counseling. So I was trying like this, like alpha mind, going into alpha mind, imagining myself getting one college seat. So like that and all I have
How
done.
you got all these ideas from that book?
No, we watch Doordarshan only.
Okay.
In Doordarshan, we have a lot of programs like this. So they are not commercial, right? So
Okay.
they put lot of programs like this about meditation, about alpha mind. So all these things.
So all the commercial channels, in short, they are corrupting all their minds. So all the non-commercial are, they are encouraging people and
Yes,
they are
sir.
taking it to the right way.
And yeah, they scientifically they used to teach what is spirituality also
Yes,
actually.
yes.
One day I saw one program. They show Osho Rajneesh ashram. I was thinking, who is this guy? Why he has to excel? So like that, so many questions. So I like everything was there, but I don't know what is the connection. But after coming into meditation, I was thinking, oh, this is my place. So this is the place I wanted to be, and I was searching from my childhood. So like that. Yeah.
Okay. So how meditation helped in your, studies, or you were searching for your job.
Yes.
So that how
Yeah.
it helped you?
So in job means we have to face interview actually. So whatever we are good at studies, whatever we are good at subject, interview we will stumble a lot. Like we will have fear, we will not face it with confidence. But actually the interviewer will look at what your
Yes.
confidence levels are. But in normally I used to lack that confidence. I used to have a lot of fear. In the fear we give wrong answers also. So, but after meditation, before interview also, I will sit in 15 minutes meditation and clear all my mind, and then face the interview with boldness. Like that, I have shifted almost 3 jobs by now. So, I don't have a fear of any interview or anything. Even client side also, many people will tell, okay, client means like this, like that, but we will face them very joyfully. So they also like to work with us like that.
So where are you working now?
Now I work in HCL Technologies. I work as a project leader there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a journey from a fresher to project lead. It's
Yeah,
a
project
very
lead.
long journey. So how you faced all did you face any problems or challenges? How meditation helped you in your work culture?
Yeah. So actually I didn't know about how I was working. But then there was one guy, he was telling, okay, Savita, you are only getting all the projects. I am not getting it. But he is also a senior consultant only. He was telling he was on bench actually 1 or 2 months. But for me, they were giving project onwards project onwards project. I was literally I was telling, why you are giving this much work to me? Then then he was telling, you are only completing, you are getting project, I am not getting, what is this like that? Oh, then only I came to know, okay. So what I will do is, whenever an issue or any bug or anything, development, anything comes, I will sit in meditation. I will sit in meditation until my mind is out of that tension or confusion, whatever it is. So I will get a clear mind. Then automatically whatever the issue fix, whatever the fix we have to do, that also will come along with that. So I will not use my logical mind itself. So I'll completely remove my logical mind. Then only I'll find what is the issue is. So people think, oh, to keep on thinking to resolve the issue, but I'll not think. That is the specialty of meditation. Because if we stop thinking, everything works.
Before any problem comes or whatever, first we need to clear our mind.
Yeah, clear our mind.
We should make our mind free.
Mind of
Then only the ideas will flow.
yes.
That is the thing. Okay, so how come you are a Chennai born girl and how you are into Hyderabad?
Like after marriage, I have to settle down in Hyderabad. Actually, my husband is from Nellore only. Thing is, he got a job in Hyderabad.
So is your marriage love or arranged?
Love marriage only.
Oh, great. Yeah, tell us about that story. We want to hear.
We were both working in Reliance InfoStreams, that is a technical call center. So we both met there. We liked each other. We thought, okay, if we are together, we can do many things. We felt very comfortable between us. So that unknown relationship is there. So that only developed into a marriage relationship. So I was really very comfortable with him. So if he is there, I'll forget about anything in this. I don't need anything in this world. So that is the need for a marriage relationship, right? So that we both have. So yeah, after a lot of struggle only we ended up in marriage, and now yeah, we
So both sides, did your parents agree for your marriage?
my parents agreed. Their parents didn't agree initially, but later they agreed actually. But now they are saying, yeah, we should agree like that only,
So
because
this is the right choice for us.
yeah.
They came to that conclusion. Okay. So how is your marriage life now? Are you are friends forever, or do you fight with each other, or how will you handle everything?
Even friends also fight, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but we don't have any bondage, like no husband and wife bondage. We live like a friends only.
Friendship.
Yeah, pure friendship. So I help him, he help me. So we both handle everything together. So he also cooks for me, and I also cook for him. So there is nothing like you and me. In many people will ask his mother will cross question many times. She will ask same question to him and same question to me. We both would have given the same answer only.
So okay. So in whichever direction the answer will be the same.
Yeah, whichever.
You have that cooperation with you.
Yes. So we both have. If I am thinking to go to some place, he will also tell same place only. So like that, we have almost.
So you don't at all argue?
Yeah, we argue, but it will last for 1 hour or 2 hours. So after that.
So who compromises?
Mostly he only compromise.
Women power.
And yeah, it will take some time for me, because I am a little bit emotional. So but he is he's very jovial type. So he always comes to compromise.
So it's been almost more than 10 years of your meditation journey. So how were you like before, and meanwhile in between the journey? How is Savita like? We want to know.
So I was really a short-tempered person before meditation. I used to be aggressive. So I used to search for someone should recognize me like that. So what happened is I was not getting proper job. So doing very low income jobs. So financial also it was little bit not okay for me. But after meditation, so whatever I am thinking, it is manifesting. For example, if I want to have a ice cream now, it will manifest. So like that, everything, not only ice cream, but everything gets manifested. So this is a wonderful life, being in meditation. People should not miss this opportunity, because this.
So now you got control on your temper.
Temper, nowadays people will think, oh, you will get temper.
Okay.
99% I got.
So you got control.
Yeah.
You got
no control. It's not coming. That emotion, it's not coming, because in my inner lot of peace is there. So the temper is very, very less.
So how you got all these things? How you got this much of grip or understanding or settlement? How you got this? What helped you actually?
Yeah, by doing meditation. So we regularly do meditation.
How many hours do you do regularly?
2 hours like that I will do regularly. And we attend all the programs, Dhyanama Chakram programs, GCS.
You and your husband met and you both liked each other and you got married. So how was he towards meditation then?
He was not doing meditation first. He was actually asking me to stop meditation. You should not go on all those places. So like that. So 1 year it took for him. So he came to one Paurnami meditation class. There only he understood. Okay, meditation has lot of power. So we can do many things. So then actually after I getting job, he was thinking, oh okay, something is there in meditation. So then only he started doing meditation. So that was the only step, but after that he is also like he stopped non-veg, everything. So everything changed. So that's why before meditation I was even not even able to stop non-veg on my own. But after meditation nobody compelled me to have a non-veg, nothing. Nobody compelled me. So whatever I am thinking, that is manifesting. So I'm becoming stronger inner wise. So I am already a very strong person only, but meditation gave me that inner strength also, that energy to create that reality also. Otherwise we will think okay, sacrifice for others. So
Adjustment,
yeah,
sacrifice.
adjustment, sacrifice. Well, yesterday also we saw one movie that married life is what adjustment, but we never adjusted actually.
Okay.
So, but there is no need. So, this life is for enjoyment only. We are going to enjoy only. If we are sacrificing, that thought itself will ruin our entire life. So, we just enjoy whatever we are.